After you're finished taking your notes on phytoplankton, I would like for you to begin working on what I will call a lucid chart. In order to start your lucid chart, you'll need to go into your Google Drive first. So go into your Google Drive and click on New. From here, you'll go to More. And from More, you'll go to Lucidchart Diagrams. So when you find this, click on it and open. When your Lucidchart opens, you'll be directed to this page most likely, or you'll need to sign in. So do so and create a new document and create a blank document. And click Start Drawing. Should make blank document. And you'll click Student. We can get rid of that. Go to my document. And once you get to your document, you can start to make your lucid chart. A lucid chart is an organized way to make a flow chart on the computer. So instead of making a flow chart in your notebook where you might have to erase or move things around, this makes it very easy to do. What I would like you to make a flow chart is the information you've learned about plankton thus far. So you'll start by dragging over any of these shapes you want. This is up to you to be creative. So pull over a shape. I'll start with this. And if you click in the middle, you can change the writing. So we'll call this plankton. And you can change the size of it. You can also change the color. So if you click on it, you can change the background color. I will make this purple. You can also, if you want to, add an image in. So if you can click an image, you can choose an image if you have one off your desktop, so on and so forth. You can also change the words that are in here. So if you're going to make it a darker color, make your words a little bit lighter, like so. So that's the first thing. And then the next thing you'll need to do is add your two categories. The two main categories of plankton, as you should know, are phytoplankton and zooplankton. So pull open another shape, whatever shape you want, doesn't have to be the same as mine. You'll notice that there are measurements that appear. So if you make it the same, it'll start looking very symmetrical. And you'll call this phytoplankton and zooplankton. And then you can make the circles bigger, like so, if you drag it from the corners and make it colorful and so on and so forth. And then the nice thing that you can do is start connecting your flow chart. So if you click where the red circle is, it'll make a line. If you drag it over to the top of the other one, and then you can drag another one here. The nice thing is that when you move this around, the line moves with it. So if I want to put this over here to make more room for something else, I can do that. If I want to move this down and over and what have you, and I can change the colors and whatnot. So what I'd like for you to do is make some categorizations of phytoplankton and put some examples, some categorizations of zooplankton and some examples. Think about how zooplankton is categorized in terms of their life cycle. Think about ways that you could categorize phytoplankton. If you can add detail, do so.